I'm making my hair. My beautiful hairdresser is making my hair. On a chemistry. And I'm plaiting my hair. Masi, say hi. Say hi. Get out again. Masinachi. Beautiful name. So Masinachi means beauty is from God. Because already Mma is, beauty or, good. Depending on the context. But Mma Sinachi. Beauty is from God. Amanda. Yes. Okay, Amanda, you do. Amanda, she say hi. Put your face. Send the viewers hi.
Cindy was hi.
Put on the case. I think you say her hi. Amanda, be say her ndewo. That's my niece.
Ndewo.
Ndewo no.
Ndewo no.
Masi, how many are watching? How many? I wonder if back. What is it? Okay. But I'm not the madman.
I'd say like how many people know?
Okay. Lots of comments.
No comments.
Okay. The hair is looking so beautiful. Let me show you guys. See it. Very beautiful. No be smart thing. And one thing I love about this hair is that it's not painful. It's not painful at all. Open our Agushin dinner watch you It's not painful at all. Keep joining, keep joining. Just want to be with you guys as I make my hair. Apple. I'm at the member got this F. Oh, Garafia. No. I'm not coming burger. Okay. So saga. Yeah, need do.
One person is
Okay. Also need the kitchen.
one person is
Okay. Also need the kitchen now. Okay. Hi, I can see you watching. Just want to be with you guys as I make my hair. Hi, what's the name? Henry. Henry, hi. You can ask any question. I'm here for you, okay? I hope you are learning the language.
from India.
From India, okay. You are very much welcome. Welcome to my channel.
15 people.
Wow, keep joining. I can see 15 people watching. Put up a comment. I want to see your comments. I want to see your. Thank you. See, I'm beautiful. Henry, thank you. Thank you for the compliments. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Another one. You can ask any question, guys. Feel free. Make your video requests. I just want to be with you guys as I make my hair. Okay, that's Henry.
Say hi.
Hi. Who again is saying hi? Hi, people. Hi, people. Yes, I know. Hi, people. Hi, people. Eh? Okay. Amanda, come and say ndewo to my viewers. Where is Amanda, my niece? When you make sure now got me honey.
Ndewo.
That's my niece saying ndewo. Amanda saying ndewo no.
Ndewo no.
Say it well now. Which one?
Ndewo no. Cool boy. Said hi.
Cool boy. Hello, hello, hello. I want to remove your head now so they will be seeing me. What is it? I could go and there. Which is hand there was? Okay. Cool boy, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'll show you guys my hair when I'm done so that you rate it, okay? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Who again is it? How many is watching? Okay. See my beautiful hairdresser. Masinachi. That's her name. You feel free to ask any question, oh. You know I don't come live all the time. But now I'm live, feel free. Ask anything, anything, you know. Okay. I'm happy you are following me, oh. Like, I'm so happy. I'm an Igbo lady, oh. Typical one. Like, and I'm a ezo. Igbo kambo. Why Igbo? Because now come here and Madonna na what? Hello. Chisindy, come and say hi now. Come and put your face. Say and day one.
Day one.
That's my Mercy sister. My beautiful hairdresser sister. Younger sister. I forgot ma. Okay. Thank you for joining. I don't want to be lonely. I just want you guys to join me as I make my hair. Actually, I'm on kitty. My people will tell you Maka. I'm from Eziago. My people will tell you no Maka. Actually, I'm no Maka. Actually, I'm on kitty. Thank you for liking. I'm seeing your likes. Don't forget to share this live. Oh. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Henry, Henry, thank you for joining, okay? See my hair, my plenty hair, Obantutu. It's called Obantutu. Hey, Onyen were Obantutu. I have thick hair. See, a lot of hairs. Sometimes I can just pack it this way. Pack it up this way. It will look like weave on. This way, like this. Like I'll just pack everything. I'm holding the phone with one of my hand. I could have shown you. Pack it up. And if I'm going, people will be like, hey, weave on got bagoli. Like, how much is this your weave on? Weave on got bagoli. Oh, well, it's in the gene. My mom has a thick hair and long as well. So, all the I know better. Ana buy nothing. Keep joining. Oh, yeah, had you.
The people that are watching this reducing, so I don't really know what to do.
Are you finding anything difficult in learning this language? Are you finding anything difficult? Feel free to make your comments, observations, corrections. I'm open for corrections, like I told you. Nobody is perfect, you know. I'm not perfect. You're not perfect. We are just trying to be perfect. We all are trying to be perfect. So we have to be doing our best. So that is why I'm asking you. If you do not tell me, I'll keep doing it the way I'm doing it. But when you make your inputs or observation or, you know, tell me what you think about the videos, then I'll know that I'm doing well or I should amend things. Eyotago? Onekade? Ofu? So what do I call that? For the ọ na-adịkwa buo ibu. But onwe ya na-ede. Onye nke na join, onye nke nọ kịta ka afịa. Cool boy, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Where are you watching from? Where are you watching from? Where's one? Unu join wakwa o. Unu ga join kwa life ah. Muna toya. Hey.
By force, by fire.
That is Oh, cool boy. Cool boy, I'm asking, where are you watching from? Write in the comment section now. I want to know where you're watching me from. Anybody that is joining, type where you are watching from. I'm doing this live from Nigeria, so I want to know where you are watching me from. Oh, there you go. I wanna know where you are watching me from. I don't want to be lonely. Oh, I told me Maisima alone. I told couldn't join him. I'm plaiting this my hair.
Oppo.
That is what Amanda baby. Okay. Amanda bịa gụọrọ ha egwu. Ka egwu ị ga-agụrụ ndị na-watch kwan. Akwa ihe Amanda yi dị mma. Amanda mara mma, come and show your face. My niece is saying ndewo. Greet them again.
Ndewo.
Ndewo no.
Ndewo no.
Amanda, ka egwu ị ga-agụrụ ha kịta.
Gụọrọ ha egwu ndị Igbo.
Opi isi gị. Amaghị egwu ọ ga-agụ, kwa aka na ọ. Mmadụ one. As I'm speaking this my language now, you should be practicing, you should be grabbing it from all the lessons. Igbo am na-asụ kịta. O kwesịrị ịbụ m na-asụ ya like this. Jiri ya na reazụkwa your skill, your learning skill. Ịghọtago? Imo State people will tell you Iyo ala. Okay. Imo State will tell you Iyo ala. Imo State is a city in southeastern part of Nigeria here. So they will tell you
Nice people.
Iyo ala 9. Iyo tala ko Iyo ala. Onye ebe ka ịbụ? That's Enugu State now. Igbo Enugu State. So ndị Nike na-asụ gị, speak your dialect.
Ndengo jada.
Ndengo jada.
Onada okoi.
Imeleka. Imeleka is how are you doing?
Yeah.
Imeleka. Ndengo jada bunu.
How are you? How is it doing?
Yeah. Oh, Abi, what's up, right? Ndengo jada. Oh, yeah, Naju. Okay. This thing, the well positioned.
Yes.
Okay. Madoni.
2.
Imeleka, so no more of your dialects. Our people will tell you, Ayo. So what is Ayi in your own dialect? Ayi means yes, in my own dialect. So Ayi. So what is yes in your dialect? Or A. Okay, but Central Igbo is But your dialect is My own dialect is Ayi. Ayi. When you see me, you call me Wambo. My people, we call men Maushine. Ezeago people, because I'm from Ezeago. We call our men Maushine. Even when the baby is born, as in like a second ago, or like I'm trying to say that even if the baby is born today, as far as he's a boy, Moushinne kana boy. Moushinne, you call him Moushinne. Now, it's a general name we'll call our men. You understand? Our males, yes. Apart from the normal name we do give them all. Oh, this is actually a culture, sha. Then ladies, we call our ladies, girls, Wambo. Do you get? Wambo shawa shawa. No, Wambo. Okay, Wambo shawa shawa. I thought it's a what's it called? Ude now. No. Okay, so it's because of our culture.
We call our men Onish.
Onish.
Yes.
Onishi.
Yes.
Yeah. Why? Can you not borrow your men Onishi? Why that name?
Because they are the head of the family.
Head of the family.
Yes.
Wow.
They are the head of.
Hey, I like this thing you are doing me on my head. Oh, continue, do it more.
They are the head of almost everything in
The family.
community.
Okay.
What's our tradition? They are the one that do our masquerade and
See my hair. See my hair. For those of you who haven't seen it, must go hair off now.
We are seeing it.
See my fine hair. How is it?
It's fine.
Thank you. Thank you. Keep joining, guys. You don't want to ask me anything. You don't ask me anything, ba? Are you shy? Don't be shy. There's this comedy I watched, and the man was like, "Abi, a lady. Why shall I shy?" Must you watch go that comedy?
Yes. What shall I say?
Shy, no low battery. Close it. Close go there. Close go this low battery. Ogo shiniro. What after 1000? Ada after 1000. Give me a.
This is media.
No, check what bia. 20 of ma. Or buns. Okay. Okay, myself all the of mo at the of mo. And I charge. No, they didn't watch. So guys, like I said, our place we call our male children Moushinne. It's because of our rich tradition. It's because of our rich tradition. Yeah.
So why don't you guys tell us what you call?
So why don't you guys tell us what you call men at your place, or female, so that we also learn. Tell me where you're watching me from, okay? Hey, now Henry, this your language. It's hard to pronounce, so must pronounce it. What does it mean in English, Henry? What does it mean? What does it mean? What do you call men at your place? We call our own place, we call men Moushinne, and ladies Wambo. Shower. Shower. So Masi,
Yeah?
at your place, Nike, how do you guys say Bieba? Because Bieba is normal Central Igbo now. Amanda, see? Come, yes, I might not come here. Biankenwa. That's Bieba. You know, Nike is also in Enugu, but we have different dialects.
Yes.
But our own place is Ezeago. Bieba, we say Biankunwa. Bia nkunwa. Come here. Yeah, bia nkunwa. Okay, unu wana si bia nkenwa. What of gawa? Shinkenwa for. Ina na charge kwa. I'm not charged. Why is my phone not charging now? As I'm having good time with my people. I'm not charged.
Yes.
All right. So guys, hey, you over?
I want tata. They won't.
I want tata. They will. That's their dialect. She's trying to say that mosquito is biting her. Ndo. Ndo. Oh, I got pussy. Hey, why you? Ooh. I'm saying why you're easy. The comb tip is tricking my head.
Because it's sharp.
Because it's sharp. It's very sharp. What the kepiria we put out? Madene. When you had there. Okay. Guys, what's up now? Gist me. Tell me something. Write something. Tell me where you're watching me from. What you know, eh? Okay. I wanna be me. Just try to be you. Hey, Mercy. Unemego, eh? Unemego iriji. This coming Sunday.
Yes.
Yam Festival.
Yes.
Wow, it used to be hot, so
It's just like our Christmas.
just like you post Christmas.
Yes.
How is it done? Like, how do you guys do it? How do you guys celebrate it? Like, what and what?
You buy new yam.
New yam.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, G Ohoro.
Yes.
Okay.
Invite people.
Invite people.
Yes. Then cook it. Give our ancestors first.
Like, how do you give your ancestors? You keep it on the floor or what?
Yes.
After cooking it, you pour it on the
After
floor.
you pour oil on it. Raw new oil.
Okay.
You pour it on it and then squeeze it with your hand.
Okay.
After that, you now pour it on the floor around your compound.
Wow. So every of you do that in your compound.
Yes.
Wow.
It's only Oyishi that used to do it.
Guys.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Eldest person in the family.
Yes.
Wow. Then you invite people.
Yes, and they'll now eat the yam and our soup that is called ofe uchakere.
Ofu chakere.
And egusi with ano kuka hora.
Hey! Anu okuko ahụrụ ahụ. Anu okuko is chicken, guys. I'm telling you, that their iriji used to be very hot. My brother is married. We are marrying a Nike woman. We have a wife from there, and it's this Sunday. Yes, I may even go safe. It's true. Easy. Oh. I went last 2 years. Last year, I didn't know when they did that one. But this year, since it's next tomorrow, Abi is everybody in Danike side.
Yes.
Wow.
It's everybody in Amoji.
Okay, Amoji Nike.
Yes. And we are bringing out new masquerades.
Wow.
That we have never seen
Before.
So,
female do watch Masquerade
yes.
at your place.
Yes, but you have to stay very far from the masquerade.
Okay.
But there is this one masquerade that female don't used to watch.
What's it called?
Menyash.
Menyash.
Yes.
Wow. Do you know how it look like?
I don't know. I've not seen it before. But I've heard the sound.
Okay, the sound.
Yes. In
So
the night, it used to make noise before a day before the New Year
festival, okay, that's it will come out tomorrow night.
Yes.
Since the New Yam festival is on Sunday, it will come out tomorrow night.
Yes.
Wow. So if women should see the masquerade, what will happen to the person?
The person will be banished.
Are you serious?
Yes, no.
It's a great culture.
Yes.
Very
If
strong
you are
one.
pregnant, you will not be banished, but
You will
your
have
child
miscarriage.
will resemble the masquerade.
Jesus! Guys, did you guys hear what she said? If you are pregnant and you see that masquerade, your child will resemble that masquerade. Because women are banned from seeing that masquerade. It do come out the night before their New Yam festival, and she's from Nike. Once a year, oh. Yes. But every other masquerade they can see it, but they have to be, they have to stay very far.
Yes. We have this masquerade that is called Egu.
Be a bit audible so they will be hearing you.
We have this masquerade that is called Egugu.
Egugu.
Yes.
Okay, but you guys do look at that one.
Yes, now, but if that masquerade fall down, they'll cut 7 head of women
Jesus.
and 2 head of men.
Like, are you being serious now?
Yes, now.
So where will they get the 7 head of women to cut?
That's people that are watching.
Are you serious?
Yes.
How many? Hey, no be small thing, no. Wait, so is Egugu different from the one that will come out tomorrow night, rather?
Yes, it's different.
But wait, so that Egugu, you say women can watch it as well.
Yes.
So why would the masquerade fall, Kwan? Like, why would they cut the women's head? The women's head.
The masquerade is too big. It looks like a house.
It looks like a house, okay?
Yes, it's very, very big.
I'm just hearing this for the very first time. Which kind of masquerade look like house, okay?
Very, 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 very big.
But you guys do watch it.
I used to watch it though, but anytime that masquerade come out, you will see me down. So if the thing fall down,
They will not see you. They will not see you to cut your head.
Yes.
Okay, people staying close.
Yeah.
They will now. Okay, wait.
Nearby
people.
anybody their hand touch. Stop. And everybody will start running for their life.
Yes, but it hardly fall now.
Yes, it hardly fall. Like, say, like once.
That means when it fall, that means like he wants to do sacrifice or something.
Yes,
I don't know.
like that. He needs blood.
Hey! Oh, yeah, no be small thing.
So everybody used to be afraid of that
Masquerade.
both male and female.
But does it come out very well, like all the time?
No.
Or just once, like the one that will come out tomorrow?
No, it's not one. So that masquerade is kind of the Ichie, the Onowu of all masquerade.
The head of all masquerade.
Not the
Okay,
head.
the Onowu.
Yeah.
Okay, but the one that will come out tomorrow is the head.
No.
We have another one.
All masquerade is one masquerade that is,
When you're at the position of
yes, that is the father of Wojomi.
Say it again.
The father of Wojomi.
Wojome.
Yes. He's the king of all masquerade. I used to come out once 2 years.
Once every 2 years.
Yes.
Hey. Wojome. How is that one like?
It's just big gold. But
But
it's
not like
blue.
house.
But it's blue like in color.
Okay, everybody do watch that one.
No, that one used to dress like native doctor.
Hey. But females are not allowed to watch that one. Females.
Yes, but if the thing is working, the masquerade according to our tradition and culture, if the masquerade is coming, you will start saying like what is bothering you. If you want child.
So the masquerade is like God to you guys.
Yes.
Once every 2 years.
Now this is the modern world. So not everybody believes in it.
Okay.
But now but some people believe in the masquerade.
Yeah.
So if the
So
masquerade
they
is
still
coming,
practice it.
yes,
So if the masquerade is coming, they will all be praying.
yes. And I go yampa.
They will be calling name. They will be calling the masquerade name, ba.
No, ha. They used to give the masquerade respect, like how they used to give God respect.
Hey.
Like they don't used to call the name in vain. I cannot call the name where if a male person is standing.
If you call the name, what will happen?
So I'll come to your house now.
But it's like that one that used to come out a day before your New Yam festival, the night before the next day, right? It's like it's more deadly, it's more dangerous than Wojoye. Wojoye is the chief masquerade, the head, that's a kind of god, right?
Mojomo is more dangerous.
It's more dangerous, ba?
Yes,
Okay,
because-
Wojoye is the head.
Yes, it's the king.
It's the
of
king.
all masquerade. It's just like god of.
I understand. But like that one, female, you guys can watch it now, females.
Because you come out, like if it's passing.
You will come out and watch it now and
You
look
don't
at
come
it.
out though. You stay in this people's gate and
Okay.
kneel down and be praying.
But you will see it now. That's what I'm trying to say.
But
You will
don't
still
do like you're seeing it.
okay,
Like
you bend your
head.
head like
Yes.
this. Okay, and be praying.
Yes.
But the other one, you dare not come out.
You dare not.
Hey!
That is the only rules that one have. But Ojume has many rules.
Ojume,
Yes. That
the head,
Ojume,
the
yes.
god.
It has many rules.
Can you give us 5 rules?
Like you cannot call
Onena,
his
onena
name in
ekiri.
vain.
Onenekiri.
Okay.
Okay. You cannot call his name in vain.
Yes. You cannot come and watch him, like look at him and notice that you're seeing and you're looking at him.
But guys used to follow him.
No.
He walks alone.
Yes.
I don't understand. Where does it come out from? Do you know?
Ikuma is called Ikuma, Dungeon of Masquerades.
Is in like from the
It's just like a secret.
Okay,
cave.
nobody knows when it will come out or what.
Yes.
But there shall be men that will know when it will come out.
No.
For everybody to prepare.
No.
Are you serious?
You will not even know, sir. It's just if the thing will just come at any time. And you cannot even insult anybody. You cannot quarrel with anybody.
That one?
Yes.
Easy.
That time that one is coming out, you will not quarrel with anybody.
Wow.
Instead, you will pay.
Wow.
You will pay money. If that one is passing and you laugh, or you cry, or you laugh, anything you do, he'll say that you're laughing at him. He used to talk.
That one?
Yes, like somebody.
Hey.
Masquerade that used to talk.
Does it still exist?
Yes, now very very well.
So, like, what season? When does it used to come out? Like,
It will come out next year.
but like, what time? Is it December, January?
It
What
will come out
season?
the whole year.
Every
January
month.
time. January time to come out.
Okay, just on January's.
Yeah, it will come out on January. Then
Wow.
the sun will now be walking up and down.
Yeah.
Last year, the Masquerade came out, and then the sun was now walking up and down. His name was Jagaban last year.
The masquerade son.
Yes.
Jagaban.
Okay,
I know maka Jagaban na. But on mo wouldn't be able Jagaban.
yes.
Hi. Abo ko beri ihe. Amanda Beck in Maria. 8. It's not 8. Eh?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Amanda na aga fete side dun. Okay. Manu na futa abia afukwe. Un na puta. Ibia fair for the masquerade. Hey, no be smart thing.
If you notice that you're looking at him, you say, Olomo,
Mbo Jagaban wa.
yeah.
Ọ na-emekwe ka mmadụ.
And then when you say it,
Gịnị ga-eme?
now say, he will not start saying,
Mbụ nwanyị ọkwa ya. Or anybody ọma nwoke na-eyi otu nwa nwa na-eyikwe m.
everybody everybody. Or they make everybody.
So, everybody will start running to hide.
Yes.
Hey.
Imagine mistake jams there or you're going out.
You're going out like how?
Like if you're going out and now jam him in the main road.
Yes. What will happen? What will happen?
He will say that you have come to kidnap him.
But he will not kill you.
He will not kill you, but he will carry problems and give you. You will pay and pay. You will pay and pay and pay. You even pay your house rent and give you.
Jesus. Are you being serious?
He will carry your properties.
Wow.
He will carry your properties.
Wow. Guys, I hope you are grabbing what this is a Nike tradition. Oh. Nike is in Enugu State. Yes.
So,
it's in Enugu State. Everybody have their own traditions. I will still tell my own tradition one day. I'm from Ezeago.
He'll carry all your properties and go, and then you will now be left alone.
Wow.
You will now be left with nothing.
Nothing.
But if you run, you will make your life miserable.
If you run from him.
Yes. Like if you run and travel.
But if you jam him, you will pay a lot.
Yes, ma'am. And if you travel.
But nobody knows the particular date it used to come out.
Yes.
Child,
so
this
that
is
why it's dangerous.
It's very dangerous.
So that is it. And the most important one and the most specific things that he used to do is that he knows everybody's name.
Hey!
Even if you're not from that community, he knows your name.
No, he doesn't know my name.
You will see.
He doesn't know my name. Am I from Nike that to know my name?
Back from somewhere. And he knows people that are from, he knows people in that village, people that are from the village. I don't know how he does, but he knows.
Wow. You call the person name?
Yes, I was coming back from work one fateful day. And then what I heard was,
Hey. Gini.
Like I should
run.
Keep it up.
You should keep it up.
Yes.
Keep what up? What were you doing?
I went to work. I was coming back from work.
But I thought you said if that thing is coming, everybody will start running like.
Yes, now I was inside the keke.
Okay.
And the keke was now passing. So he now stopped the keke.
Okay.
He was now standing.
Hey, he stopped the keke to talk to you.
Yes.
Wow.
Everybody was now panicking inside that keke.
But he mentioned your own name.
Yes. And nobody knows who is Masquerade. But I know that he was talking to me.
Talking to you.
So he was not like, I should keep it up.
Wow.
The work I'm going. And he was not calling me his daughter.
Hi. Not be smart, you know.
Not be smart.
Amanda, I shot na me and Nancy.
7 people.
So
he was not saying, because in my village we used to call, like if you want to say my child, you say Mwamo.
Okay, Mwamo.
So he was like,
Mwamo.
Hi.
Denyo is a
well done.
Well done. Okay, Denyo.
Ibatawo. Nadode. Jedode.
And he was looking at you.
Yes, he was pointing his
finger.
He's not finger. He's carrying. He used to carry. Ego.
Okay.
So he was not pointing that thing. On me. So that keke man was now like, so you know this Masquerade know you. He now called the keke man's name. Everybody was
shocked.
How? The keke man is from Ebonyi State.
Are you serious?
He's not even from our.
Because the keke man will be thinking, this Masquerade know you.
Yeah.
So how did he get to know you?
Yes.
Maybe you maybe you've had one or two encounter with him or something, or
Yeah, something like that. But he now proved
called,
to
yeah,
him that he knows everybody.
everybody's name. Because
If
I don't think he will know my name.
if you're peeping
Unless he's watching my videos for him to know my name. How
if
can
you're
Masquerade know
peeping,
my name?
if you're peeping him, he will start shouting,
Okay, how can I-
Olomo, Chidimma Nenyokwebo. He'll start
Chidimma.
calling your name.
Amanda, don't pour me water. How
If
can
it's
I
Amanda, you say, Amanda Nenyokwebo.
Wow.
Amanda Nenyokwebo.
Amanda Funugogi.
Ah.
Chisindi, see?
Yes.
It's again. Okay, Chenisi. Only na ekiri. Hey, are you serious? This is serious. So how do you used to see it then? From the window?
He used to know that. He used to know if you're peeping him in the window. I don't know.
So that means you don't have to, as in, watch him. You don't have to look at him at all.
Yes. That is what he wants. But
You
know
just
now,
run.
You are seeing that Masquerade is you must look.
So that time you were in the keke and it came out. Were you looking at him for him to stop the keke?
No. I was covering my face because if he sees that you're looking at him, he will start shouting that you want to kidnap him.
But other persons in that keke,
everybody was covering their face.
Because are they from your place?
They are not from my place, but that is the rules.
What if you don't know the rule? Like, I'm a new person now in your community.
You're in trouble. When you enter in somebody's community, you need to know the person's culture.
It shouldn't be like, let's say I'm a visitor now. Like, I just came to visit someone. Just that particular day, do I have to start asking culture? How do you guys do?
You will see that everybody inside that keke is bending their face. They have reasons. You have to follow them. Then after that time, you now ask them, why were you people
bending your face? Normally, I knew that, like, looking at Masquerade here is not like people used to stay far, right? To watch masquerades. Even when it's coming, you the female, you'll be running because you wouldn't want it to see you. Sometimes if you find out that you are looking at him, he will flog you.
There is only one female in my community that does watch Masquerade.
Why?
Because she's Okawai.
Which one is Okawai? Like
head of all women.
like a priestess, right?
No. She wants to be a man. And how they used to say, Kachiege chichi. Now we je chize chichi makano nwere ego too much.
Wow.
Obruzi woke.
Wow.
So they call them Okawai, and Hanewe only one. If that woman die now, another person will now
replace him.
Her.
Rather. I'll come back, guys. I'll come back, guys. I don't want this live to be too long. This tradition story is getting very interesting, guys. Very interesting. Oh. Yes, I want to start another live, but I want her to tell me more of her culture because it's really getting so interesting, and I'm enjoying it. Are you not enjoying it? Are you not enjoying it? Hey, attachment, no more. So
a lot of things is happening.
Can I pause on another live? Click, go to finish. What do you know about? If you there. Nenu. Come on, no honey, come. Hey. Hey, it's not stopping. No.
Finish button. Finish. You cancel.